Welcome to Pubg Mechanics, where we offer tips and tricks that come second nature to the pros. Do you ever find yourself cleaning up the competition, and all you have to do to win is get a frag grenade through a window, but you realize throwing isn't exactly your strong suit? Luckily, Pubg Mechanics is here to help, as we examine throwables. Always think about distance. If you need to get a little more distance, try running while you throw. You can also jump and throw right at the peak of your jump. If your target is far away, the throwing angle that will generally give you the most distance is a 45-degree angle. If you left your protractor back at school, don't worry. A good rule of thumb is that 45 degrees is approximately the distance between the horizon and the top of your screen when looking forward. If your target is not so far away, switch to an underhanded throw. If you come right up to a tall structure, you can look up and leave your enemies a little present. Don't be fooled by your trajectory arc. It might look accurate, but it's most accurate when throwing within a 5-meter range. If you're throwing farther away, you need to compensate by aiming up, getting a running start, or jump throwing. Don't forget, throwables all react to your environment. If rolling a grenade can work to your advantage, try factoring that into your throw. You can also bank shot a frag grenade by bouncing it off a doorway or window. Before breaching, always throw a grenade into the second floor of the building. Even if you don't get any kills, your enemies will be deaf and won't hear you coming. Molotovs also react to their environments, knocking out wooden doors and spreading significantly across wooden floors. 2 Molotovs will double the spread of the fire on the ground as well. With throwables, timing is everything. Press R to cook your grenade. Hold on to it as long as possible if you want it to explode on impact. Be careful, because it is possible to overcook your grenades. Frag grenades last 5 seconds. Stun grenades last 2.5 seconds. Smoke grenades last 3 seconds. Molotovs will always explode on impact, or 5 seconds from when it's thrown. Or if you want to get really creative, shoot the Molotov in midair to rain fire down on your enemies. So head to training mode and throw some grenades. Pretty soon you won't even need to think about using your throwables. You'll be dealing out explosives like nobody's business and leaving a trail of downed players in your wake. Until next time, keep playing Pubg.